Ever notice how toxic people seem to find you like a magnet? They just lock on and won't let go. Here's something nobody tells you. They're not targeting you randomly. You're doing something specific that makes them think, yeah, this one's easy. And I'm about to show you exactly what that is. Stick around because by the end of this, you'll know how to flip the script and make them avoid you instead. The invisible signal you're broadcasting. Right now, you're sending out a signal. You can't see it, but toxic people, they pick up on it immediately. It's like you're walking around with a giant neon sign that says, I won't fight back. How do I know? Because I used to do the same thing. And the moment I stopped, everything changed. People who used to walk all over me suddenly got really polite. Some just vanished. Others got weirdly uncomfortable around me. That's when I knew I'd cracked the code. Mistake 1. You're too quick. Someone says something disrespectful. What do? You react immediately, right? Your face changes, your heart races, you start explaining or defending yourself. Congratulations, you just lost. Here's what toxic people are doing in that moment. They're testing you. They throw out bait and wait to see if you bite. When you react fast, you're telling them, yes, you can control my emotions with just your words. Try this instead. Next time someone says something meant to hurt you, do absolutely nothing for 5 full seconds. Don't speak, don't change your expression. Just look at them like they're a tree or a lamppost. Count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then respond with something boring. Okay. Or interesting. Or cool story. Keep your voice completely flat, like you're reading a shopping list. Watch their face. They'll get confused. Their brain will literally short circuit because the script they expected isn't happening. Most of them will just stop because you're not fun to mess with anymore. The explaining trap. You know what weak people do constantly? They explain everything. Oh, I did this because of this reason, and also this happened, and I thought maybe. Stop. Just stop. Every time you over-explain, you sound guilty, even when you did nothing wrong. Your brain thinks you're being helpful, but their brain hears, please approve of me, please agree with me, I need your validation. Here's the power move. Someone asks why you made a choice. You say, because I wanted to. That's it. Period. End of sentence. If they push, but why though? You repeat the exact same thing. Because I wanted to. Same calm tone. Like it's the most obvious answer in the world. Most people will drop it because they realize you're not playing the game. You're not going to defend yourself or beg for their approval. And the ones who keep pushing, congratulations. You just identified a toxic person. Now you know who to avoid. Here's a truth bomb. People treat you badly because you let them. Harsh, but real. They cancel on you last minute. No consequence. They talk down to you. No consequence. They disrespect you in front of others. No consequence. So why would they stop? You need to teach people that bad treatment costs them something, not by arguing or making a scene, by quietly pulling back. Next time someone disrespects you, here's what you do. Become less available. They text, you respond slower. They ask for help, you're busy. They want to hang out, you've got plans. You're not being mean, you're not seeking revenge, you're simply showing them that access to you is a privilege, not a right. Watch what happens. Within days, they'll notice something's different. They'll wonder why you're distant. And most of them, they'll start treating you better because they don't want to lose you completely. You just train someone without saying a single word. The disease of being liked. Let me ask you something uncomfortable. How badly do you need people to like you? Because if the answer is really badly, then you're in trouble. Toxic people can smell that desperation from a mile away. It's like blood in the water. When you need everyone to like you, you have zero power. You'll accept disrespect just to keep people around. You'll say yes when you mean no. You'll twist yourself into shapes just to avoid conflict. Here's what you need to accept. Some people won't like you, and that's not just okay, it's necessary. If everyone likes you, it means you're being fake with some of them. It means you're hiding who you are. It means you have no boundaries. Next time someone clearly doesn't like you, try this. Do nothing. Don't try to win them over. Don't apologize for existing. Don't bend yourself into knots. Just accept it and move on. When you stop caring about being liked by everyone, toxic people lose their leverage. They can't manipulate you anymore because you're not afraid of them walking away. The ultimate power move. Want to know the real secret that makes toxic people leave you alone forever? Become genuinely comfortable being alone. Not pretending to be fine alone, actually happy by yourself. When people see you don't need them, everything flips. Suddenly, they want your attention instead of you wanting theirs. Here's your test. Stop being the one who always texts first. Stop being the one who always makes plans. Stop keeping friendships alive all by yourself. Pull back, live your life, do things you enjoy, and watch what happens. Toxic people will vanish like smoke because you're not easy anymore. But the real ones, they'll reach out. They'll put in effort because they actually value you. This is how you filter your entire life. Your 7-day challenge. Pick one thing from this video, just one. Maybe you'll wait 5 seconds before reacting. Maybe you'll stop over-explaining. Maybe you'll pull back from someone who disrespects you. Do it once this week. Watch what happens. Some people will respect you more. Some will back off. Some will completely disappear. Perfect. That's exactly what should happen. Then next week, try another one. Keep stacking these. Before you know it, your entire social circle will be different. Toxic people gone, respect everywhere. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button. One click, that's all I'm asking. Now go show people you're not someone they can mess with anymore.